Hello and welcome back to Modeling Life in Cars Live Edition. Back here in my studio, also known as my garage. I've added a shelf behind me to try to organize some stuff, so it may look a little bit different there behind me as we adapt and get things going. Today I'm going to be just going through a quick overview of the model that I'm going to be building today, which is a Z28 Camaro 1978. I owned this car back in 1994, 1995 time period. My senior year of high school mostly. After my Monte Carlo went to the junkyard, I picked up this Z28. I actually picked up two of them as part of the backstory of this. A little behind the scenes info here for you. I bought a Z20. I bought a regular Camaro that was in great shape, but it was just regular basic stock Camaro. And then I picked up a Z28 that had been totaled again from my favorite place, the junkyard. And I took the parts off of the Z28 and basically put them onto the stock Camaro to give it more of that Z28 trim. And a couple of my buddies helped me take the motor out, which was a 5.7 liter 350 cubic inch engine V8. And we just did the swap at first in the driveway. We had both of the cars nose to nose, and we had a big party and pulled the engine out of one, put it into the other, basically got it working. And then later on, I did some engine work on it at school. But that's the basis of it today. So we're just going to go through the model real quick and see what's in the box. So this Z28 is a snap-tight one. I got it pretty cheap off of, I think, eBay for $15 and $10 in shipping, so $25 all in. But it's the exact Z28 I was looking for, so that's what I was really most happy with. The real body here is what I was going after. It's got the Z28 inlets on the side, the hood scoop, and the overall shape is exactly the same as my Z28 was. It does have a little bit cheap of a under chassis. It's just basically all molded in with the engine here in the bottom and the drive shaft and fuel tank, and then a typical chassis frame, but it's got the components filled in. And something like this, if you did want to make it look a bit more nice of a model, you could drill this out with a Dremel or a rotary tool, and you could put a nice engine in from another model kit, which I might do later on. But for purposes of the build for the show, these are perfect because they go together really well, and I can tell my stories while I'm doing it. Again, part of the reason I picked it, it had the exact stock wheels I had on my Z28. They pretty much look just like this in aluminum. So we'll be painting those. There's your front end, steering wheel, inner wheels, seats, and dashboard. Dashboard's got some decent level of detail to it, so we'll paint that with a fine brush. And here's your rear axle and exhaust, all molded as one. So we'll paint those up, make them look separate. Interior bucket. We won't be putting this giant whale tail that it has, came with the model. Big old scoop. Mine didn't have that. It had this. It had nothing when I bought it, and then it had the Z28 little scoop, or a little spoiler. Decent tires. They have the Goodyear writing on the outside. I'll probably won't put that on. I'll just leave them black. Look more realistic. And we've got the glass. And we've got, it looks like another set of decals and stickers. It's interesting that the models I've been building lately have both. When I was growing up, you pretty much just had decals. But it looks like more and more they tend to put stickers in there. And there you go. This is the box that it came in. Snap tight Z28 Camaro, 1978. And you can see that the big scoop on the back there. It's on the front cover too. Big giant scoop. It's kind of hilarious. We won't be putting that on since, like I said, I didn't have anything like that on there. So that's the Z28 I'm going to be building. We'll be telling some stories along with it as usual, as the episodes go. Just wanted to do a quick live stream, get used to doing these and just put some more content out onto the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the upcoming show. Check out our podcasts, check out our Patreon channel, and just participate in the page, with comments and likes and that kind of stuff. We appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.